So hello guys, welcome back to our channel again. In this video I'm going to show you the industrial training report. Okay, so if you are a B Form third year student, if you are in the 6th semester, then you know very well that you have to go for the industrial visit or industrial training for the 45 days. And in any registered industry, when you will go for the industrial training of the 45 days, they will provide you a certificate of the industrial training. So in behalf of the certificate, you have to make a report that what you have learned during the industrial training of the 45 days. Okay, so this is the format that I have made as like book. Okay, so let's see. So the first of thing, that this is the industrial training report and this is your college, and this is the logo of your university. Okay, so, and this is the report, your HOD, and this again the logo. Let's go inside and you can see this is the industrial training report here, and then this is the certificate of the certification of your principal, and then your HOD, and then your industrial teacher. Okay, after that you have to go for that what you have get certificate of the 45 days training. So this is the training report. Okay, after that this is the acknowledgement. Actually I have performed the industrial training from the Mankind Pharma Ltd. Okay, so this is the acknowledgement, and this is the preface of your industry, that of the Mankind Pharma, you can see very well. After that, the main thing of this report is what you have learned during your industrial visit. Okay, so this is what are the topics about the tablets, capsules, tablet punching, sieving, blending, granulations, capsule type of capsules, quality control. Okay, and then it chemical sections and the packaging and other things. Okay, so this is the list of abbreviation that you use in your industrial report. Okay, and this is the starting of report. Okay, this is the tablet section, and like this you have to make your report of a 45 days training in any industry. If you have performed, then you will know very well that how you have to make what are the resources you are used. Okay, so this is what I have shown you. Okay, so this is all about the industrial training report. Okay, well, you know very well that how you have to make a industrial training report. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Please like, subscribe to our videos.